So listen
Okay.
carefully. So
Okay.
unification. So first of all, let you see the what is the unification. It is a substitution to match the atomic sentences that makes a two class are resolvable. So it is a right substitution to matching of the sentences and to make the two classes are resolvable. See, unify P comma Q takes two atomic sentences. So according to the definition, unification is a substitution to match atomic sentences to make two class resolvable. So they are giving two class. The two class we are going to substituting some value. That some value which suitable for a unified. It will give the unified meaning for if I substitute that variable. So if I it will comes a meaningful variable, so that sentence will be resolvable with the help of the two class, which means that they will give two sentences. Between the two sentences we are going to give one unification variable, that variable which helps for the two sentences make perfect or make the reliable make the relationable. So this makes two or a comfortable. So for example, unify P comma Q takes a two atomic sentences. So consider a P and Q returns the substitution that makes P and Q looks the same. So which means that it is unification is a substitution of atomic sentence. If I substitute that sentence between the two class, the two class can be resolvable. So resolvables, it comes to meaningful value. See, for example, dealing with a variable unification. So this we can replace a variable by a constant. The case one, see here we can substitution a matching atomic sentence. The sentence sometimes will be a variable by a constant C. Can replace a variable by a variables. So we can have a scope of substitution of atomic sentences, like constant is one. We can replace a variable by a variable. We can replace a variable by a constant. So these are the scopes. So the scope is we can replace a variable by a constant is the first one. So v1 by c, where v1 is a variable, c is a constant. We can replace a variable by a variable. So v2 is a variable, intersection to v3 is another variable. We can replace v2 by v3. Here the v2 is a variable as well as v3 also a variable. Similarly, can replace a variable by a function expression. So we can replace a variable by a function expression as long as the function expression does not contain the variable of v4. So is third condition is we can able to replace a variable by a function expression like f of a function and v of a function. We can replace the variable by a function, we can replace the variable by the variable, we can replace the variable by the constant. These are the possible replacement sentences. The unification is a substitution that match the atomic sentences to make a two class are resolvable. So we can replace a variable by a constant is the first case. We can replace a variable by a variable is the second case. We can replace a variable by a function is the third case. See, let us have the example given knows a John comma X. See given, so that we are for here. Let us take an example. Knows John comma X, hates John comma X, then knows John comma Jim. So where X is a variable, which is the substitutional sentences to make the sentence as a meaningful, or the two class. These are the two class. One is the knows John comma X, hates John comma X. These are the two class. See, according to the definition, so substitute a magic atomic sentence to make two class resolvable. So this two class has to be resolvable, means we have to substitute X by any sentence. See, we have to substitute X by any matching sentence, then these two class can be resolvable by substituting the value of X. Now let me replace the X value is here by Jim. See, to perform the resolution we need, so unifier is a theta, it's a constant value. So we can replace the unifier theta X by Jim. X by Jim. Now let you see the two class. The class 1 is knows John comma X. We can replace X by Jim. So we can see the now knows the John comma Jim, hates the John comma Jim, then knows John comma Jim. The sentence will be right or will be true. So that is whenever we are replacing X by uniform class unifier, that unifier will be a Jim. Then hates Jim John comma Jim, knows John comma Jim, and hates John comma Jim. So X by Jim. So that is the sentence which can be substituted to resolve the two class. See one more example. So knows John comma X, hates John comma X, and knows John comma Jim. How to resolve them? The first match then. See the solution is here. So obviously they have given a solution here. They just given the, if I substitute the unifier, so it will come knows John comma Jim, so that he can be explained with the unification process, that is knows John comma X and hates John comma X and knows John comma Jim. How to resolve them? First match them. See the solution, unify. So it is a syntax, unify. So what is the first class? First class, that is knows John comma X, and second class is what? Knows John comma Jim. So knows, first class is a knows John comma X and knows John comma Jim. If I replace X by Jim, so that is the unifier is X by Jim. This is the solution syntax with the help of the unifier or unification. So gives next one, see knows John comma Jim and hates John comma Jim and knows John comma Jim. That's true only. So based on this sentence at this class, this is the uniform functionality. So these are the true. Knows John comma Jim, hates John comma Jim, and it is true only John comma Jim. So concluded by the resolution, hates John comma Jim. This is the solution for considering this problem. For consideration of this problem, see nothing here. So once again I'm saying, just recalling, unification is substitution of atomic sentence which makes two class are resolvable. So they will give the two class. This two class will be resolvable by substituting any one of the sentence. That is called as a unification. So for the unification replacements, we can replace the unification variable by the constant. We can replace the variable by the variable. We can replace the variable by the any functions. These are the possible replacements by the variables. So for example, so given a knows John comma X is a first class and second class is a hates John comma X, and solution knows that John comma Jim. So this can be achieved when I substitute the X by some other variable. So X is the variable here. So by the X we have to substitute any one of the sentence which makes the two class are resolvable. So for that, what should I keep instead of X? I can introduce the unifier theta X by Jim. I can substitute in the place of X by Jim. Then the above class will be resolvable by the meaningful. So for that, let us take the example algorithm manner unification. So this is the aim. So no John comma Jim is suitable whether true or not. Let we check. So first solution, unify is a unify. The class 1 can be substituted here, and class 2 no John comma Jim if X by Jim. Yes, unifier is theta gamma theta by Jim. Knows that. So it will, this sentence will use the response knows John comma Jim, X by we can substitute Jim, and hates John comma Jim, knows John comma Jim. So these two fellows are also known body, knows only if I substitute take the unification steps. Yes, it is true only. So the conclusion by the resolution, hates John comma Jim is the right conclusion only by the unification. See, same example. Sometimes knows John comma X hates John comma X. Facts that we can knows John comma Jim. So we can take the variable into sentence. Knows Y to Leo. One more example. Knows Y to mother of Y. Knows Y to Jane. Second example. See, unify knows John comma X. Knows John comma Jim. So if I replace X by Jim. And second standardizing variables. Unify knows John comma X, John comma knows Y comma Leo. If I replace X by Leo, so for these sentences, if I replace X by Leo and Y by John, then only these two class can be resolvable. So here see, so John is a name, X is a variable, and knows Y is a variable, Leo is a name. So what the sentences I have to refill by X is here, and what is the sentences that I have replaced by the Y, so that we are assuming that if I replace X by Leo and Y by John, then this makes as unification. Unification will be true. And third one is a knows that John comma X knows Y comma mother of Y. So this unification can be true by substitution of Y by John, the variable Y by John, and X by mother of John. So here we can replace X by mother of John, right? So Y by John. So you see here, you can match here. Knows that John comma mother of John knows Y means what? It is John. John comma mother of Y means what? John, mother of John. These two sentences will be meaningful. These two sentences will be reasonable. So we can substitute the sentence to match the values. And unify knows comma John X knows X comma Jane. This one is the fail condition, because if I replace X by John, see, but we know that everyone John knows he hates that. So this is the unification sentence is not matching for these two class. That is what it is a failure sentence. So this is why we require a possible of every variable has to separate by a name. Unify knows comma John comma X knows Y comma Jane. So that is a Y by John and X by Jane. X by Jane. So this is also the can be standardizing apart, eliminating the overlap of variable. So these are the variables. Most general unifier. Now we will see to unify John comma X and knows Y comma Z. So where theta is the unifier value, so Y by John and X by Z. First case. So if you substitute this case also, most general unifier, this case also, this sentence, this clause will be satisfied, or else we can replace theta by Y of John and X to Z, Z to Mary also you can satisfy. These are the possible most general unifiers. So most general about this bindings. This is a single most general unifier. So MGU means most general unifier. So these are the most general unifiers to resolve of these two class. Because of it's a variable. How many variables are there? X is one variable and Y comma Z are two variables. For that we have to substitute Y by some name, some sentence, X by some sentence, and Y by name and X by Z, Z to Mary. So what is X? We can replace X by Z, or also we can replace Z by Mary. So this also will help us to make a unification. So this is about